Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'll be showing you how to get your subdomain with SSL, because we're gonna need this actually in our Telegram bot. So the first step is to go to the noip.com website, and you want to create an account, and then when you log in you're gonna be in this page. So you want to go to manage DNS and then add a host name. So you want to just enter any name to get your subdomain actually. So I'm going to name it BasselTech. Okay, and just you want to add the host name, and that's it. So now BasselTech.dns.net actually points to my IP. Okay, so what we're gonna want to do next is actually go to the USB web server. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and you want to download this web server. So scroll down and download the latest version, and when you finish you'll end up with this archive. So you want to extract this, and then open the folder. You're gonna find the USB web server.exe. You want to open this application, choose your language. Okay, so go to the settings. You'll find that the port for the Apache is 8080. We actually want to change this to 80 and save it, and go to the Apache tab and stop it, and then start it again. Now when you go to the local host, you're going to find that the web server is running, and we're going to use this web server for SSL verification, as we'll see now. So the next thing that you want to do is actually go to your router admin panel, and you want to log in, and then you have to do port forwarding. So actually the port forwarding depends on your router, how you can do it. So I'll leave a link in the description that can help you in doing this port forwarding. So we want to add a new entry here. The service name, again, name it HTTP. The external port is going to be 80, and the internal port is also 80, and this is the port, and this is the IP. So to get your IP, you're going to want to open the CMD and type IP config, and then you find your IP right here. Okay, so this is my IP. I'm going to copy it and paste it right here, and then click OK, and we should be good to go. Now when we access the external IP for my router, I should get into the web server that we're having here. So basically, if we just copy this BasselTech.dns.net, and then we just go to this URL, we should go at the end to our web server. This might take some time in order to configure the DNS and everything, but it will eventually work. So the next step that we want to do is actually go to the SSL for free website, and I'm going to leave the link also in the description, and we want to put the subdomain that we have just created right here, and want to hit create free SSL certificate, and then we're going to choose manual verification, upload verification files manually to your domain to verify ownership, and then we're going to hit the manually verify. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is just download this file, and once it's downloaded, you're going to create a new folder in the root folder for the web server. So you're going to go to the root folder, right click, create a new folder. You're going to name it .well-known, and then you're going to just create a new folder in here too, acme-challenge. And then you're gonna just drop the file in this folder, and then browse it through this link to ensure that it's it's actually uploaded and it's now working fine. So now you're gonna hit the download SSL certificate button, and it's gonna create your certificate. So these are the certificates and the private key and everything, and just you want to download all certificate files just like this, and we should be good to go. We're gonna use these files actually in our server. So what we're gonna want to do next is actually go back to your router, and you want to edit these ports actually. So we want to modify them to be 8443, both the internal and external 8443, because Telegram does not allow any port. It actually allows only some ports. So we're gonna use the port 8443 for the Telegram. So until then, catch you in the next tutorial.